Okay, let's get started. So this is a trade in the S&P 500.
Mm.
Shorted it here. 38% fib.
Wagon.
Bearish engulfing. Stop above here. Targeting there. The green ticks are targets,
Yeah.
and that red cross is the stop. Things I've got to say about this trade. Time of day. It's getting on for 5-6 p.m. by the time we're filled there, and that's not what you want really. Also, if we look at the DAX at the same time, and there is a high correlation, we put in a triple inside day failure. So you don't really want to be shorting the SPU there, in my opinion. You guys got anything to say about this?
Nobody's short in equities, mate. Without doing your ass at the moment. It's not a bad setup. For me, I would consider that a one-touch level, though.
Yeah,
I wouldn't consider that initial.
that's not a swing
Nah.
touch.
So
I wouldn't either. And to be honest, I don't think I would have taken that at all. I mean, regardless of what market it's in, just kind of looking at the structure of it, I just know myself I wouldn't have touched it.
Well, the thing
It
is,
doesn't strike me as the strongest level in the world.
yeah, it's not a very strong level, but me and Umar took this trade in the Dow at the same time, this low there, looking for that, and we got in, and we got above there, and it closed above, and then the time of the day, the daily was looking like a hammer, the DAX triple inside day failure, we just scratched
Yeah.
0.25R loss. I mean,
But I think that this Dow is a better setup than the SPU.
oh yeah, much better.
Last candle was broken way more lows. And
Yeah,
it
all
looks
round
like,
this is not very good,
yeah.
in my opinion. Then there's this one, dollar Swiss. There's not much to say about this either, to be honest.
that's champion trade.
Yep.
Sold the high,
Got out of the low.
got out, thinking there, 1.4, oh, what am I doing? 1.4R. Not got a lot to say about that.
Yeah,
No.
nice spot on trade there.
Great trade. This one, Aussie dollar. I wouldn't have taken that.
I don't know what we're looking at. What's the setup?
Black line.
Long there,
Why?
level,
That's not even a level though.
target. I don't think the level's that bad, but the breakout,
Yeah, there's no
pretty
naked
shoddy.
levels.
there's no clear point to get in. There's not
That's-
really a clear place for the stop.
That's the shit entry.
Yeah,
Well, that entry is shite.
I mean, what's this target? 2R? Maybe more?
Yeah, I mean, there's no. If you look at that, there's no stop. The stop placement is just
Shit.
a candle
In the middle of
one
nowhere.
back from the entry.
Yeah.
By the looks of it, there's no level that I would enter in at
There's a fade here.
because there's no clear breakout.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I wouldn't get involved in that.
Another thing, this is in the middle of the night, isn't it? This is at what? 5 a.m? It's the arse end of the Asian session almost. It's before London's opened. There's also a bounce there.
Mm.
I don't think you've got anything to play for, and the entry is dog shit.
I think regardless of the time of day that you get filled up, there's actually no trade Anyway, I'm looking at the chart. I don't see a trade that's justifiable at all. So
Yeah, move on. Shit trade.
yeah.
AUDNZD.
Oh, what a champion! I love that.
I don't think this is terrible. I think this is actually pretty good.
Great pair to play. Great. I love trading that.
Clean. Good breakout. The stop's a bit random, but to be fair, that's the only place you can put it. Unless you were to be
That's not a stop. Even
really
there.
aggressive, but yeah, I wouldn't have done that. I think the target's good. New highs. He's done well.
1 minute.
I think it's
60% fib
what?
of...
What?
Yeah, actually, what the fuck is that fib?
When is that? It's 26th of April.
A 61% fib of what? That's not how fibs work.
Yeah, what the fuck? Hang on.
Fibs, fibs don't work like that.
The 28th of April.
28th.
Okay, I think I've got it. It's not that, is it? Or is it? No.
But that doesn't. If he's going long and he's drawing a fib from high to low, that's not how they work. It's
Okay, right,
retracement.
this person needs to learn how to draw fibs. Because,
What the fuck is that?
in my opinion, the fib would be from there to there.
Yeah.
Or maybe even
No, it would be that
from
one.
there to there.
Yeah, it would be that.
And that ain't, that's not a fib.
Regardless of where the fib starts, it would be from low to high, not
Yeah.
from
Yeah,
high to low.
Okay, well, ignore that.
No, you can't ignore it because he's taking that as a factor of confluence.
Yeah, I'm saying he should ignore it because that's bullshit. But the level's not bad, and the trade worked out pretty well. But to be honest,
If I'm looking at that as well, why the fuck's he got out?
where's he got out? He's got out here.
So that's on a Friday. That trade is set up on Friday around midday.
Yeah,
So to get out for a 1R,
he's clear. He's got out there. Maybe on that candle.
must be on that green candle. That big one there, yeah, at the top of that, when that closed.
Yeah, here maybe.
Yeah, it's there.
Yeah, it's a pretty good trade. Learn how to draw
Draw a
fibs,
fucking fib.
because that's completely wrong.
You see his entry level, yeah.
Yeah.
Is that like a significant level, or is it just
No, it's
one
not.
up?
It's just I know, I've got it up on mine. Personally, I wouldn't go near that trade.
Yeah,
I wouldn't touch that trade.
Yeah, for me to want to get into that, it'd have to be
it would have to close.
a big breakout and quite a bit more space because the breakout's a bit lackluster, and we're coming into it on a Friday afternoon. Not one for me, but worked out.
Fucking only sold the high in pound yen, and I. What a champion!
Right,
Check that out,
This one,
boys.
natural gas.
Who the fuck trades natural gas?
First and foremost, yeah. Who trades natural gas?
This is cash natural gas, yeah, not even the future.
Yeah, cash natural gas. Pretty wide stop though. What day is this on, actually? The 26th or the 27th? 27th. If that's a Thursday, then he's in trouble. It is a Thursday, right. There's no way I'm taking that trade. Because it's the inventories.
Inventories aside, yeah. I don't like number one, yeah.
And I don't like the trade at all. But
Number one, the fibs are the wrong way again. I can't fucking handle these fibs, man. I'm gonna do a Connery if I see another fib drawn the other way around.
There we go. Better?
Uh,
The
no,
fib's the wrong way,
because-
so it's a 38% fib, not a 62.
Is it even?
Yeah? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it'd be 38%.
It's a 38% fib.
Okay.
Who the fuck trades Nat Gas though? Jeez.
Nah, but like, all right. So fib aside, and Thursdays aside, it's still a shit trade. I can see the entry, but I'm not taking that.
I'm not taking that. Not at all. Inventories on a Thursday afternoon, which is looking like where he got the fill. It's not really an area.
It's not. See, the thing is, there's no.
that.
I don't have an issue here with sticking an entry in
There's that structure.
and holding it into news, yeah. But it ought to be a fucking good level, and that for me isn't a level that's good enough to
No.
order in over news, especially in oil,
There's some stuff over here.
especially in gas.
Yeah.
It's not really a level. It's in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. It's right in the midpoint of the whole screen.
Yeah,
It's not somewhere
Like-
you're expecting a bounce.
yeah,
At
yeah.
all.
Like earlier this week, there was a level to get short dollar yen. Like I know, it was like 114. I think Tom Stalin made note of it, but it was a really really clean level, and that's the kind of level I would have an order in, even if there was news, but not this kind of shit.
Yeah. This is complete fucking cack, in my opinion. Next. Dollar CAD. This is worse.
Fun. Only because he got a winner out of it.
What?
No, it's a loser.
No one's taking a fucking winner here.
No, the last trade in that gas.
Oh,
Oh yeah, you got a winner, but it doesn't make it a good trade.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this I didn't think anything had beat this one, but I think we've found a new winner. This is shit. Anyone else?
I'd just try not to laugh.
I think the problem with that level, I can understand why you would take that level. I can, no, I'm not taking a piss. I can understand if you were looking at that level and you didn't have the prices down the right hand side.
Yeah.
I
Right.
would consider that level as something I would hit myself.
What do you mean?
Well, you're shit.
But get out of here, mate. But the fact that the moves away from that level aren't strong enough, in my opinion. So that makes that level. It doesn't make it a 3-touch level. It makes it a very weak level because the lack of power in which price moves away and reacts from those levels.
It doesn't look as bad on this, but what time?
No.
What time is it? I don't know. There's just nothing. It doesn't look that bad there, but it just doesn't interest me.
Actually, yeah, it doesn't look bad here.
No, it's a fairly decent inflection point.
Wait, hang on a minute. Weren't we in this trade?
No.
I'm pretty sure we were in this trade.
You fucking might have been.
No. Weren't we in a dollar card short recently? Whilst we were in, is this around the time of the French election gaps?
Let me have a look. What date is that?
The
I
24th.
can't remember.
If I was
No,
in this
they-
trade, then I'm a cunt. Which
What date is that, Charlie?
it's the 24th of April.
Oh, fucking hell. We look like a right bunch of dickheads here, ain't we?
I don't give
Yeah,
a shit,
mate.
man.
We were in that.
24th of April.
That's a shit trade.
We were in that. I've just checked my
Oh, for
broker.
fuck's sake.
24th of April. You fucking might have been in that. I certainly wasn't.
Okay, well, we apologise to whoever sent this in
No,
because
no,
we
no.
fucking
Wait,
took
Tom,
it as
you
well.
were definitely in it.
Mate, 24th of April 2016, I've got a sell limit in at 34.60, which is...
The high.
Yeah, sell limit, cancelled.
Fuck off. That's because you didn't get a fill, right?
What do you mean I would have got a fill at 60s?
Why did you cancel it?
Because I'm a fucking absolute trading god, mate, when it comes to this kind of shit.
I remember. Nah, what?
I had a feeling, like Astro, I had a feeling flowing through their bones, mate.
I actually funny story about this. Yeah, I think everybody that I know was in this trade, but I don't remember it going.
I think the
Right.
whole of Twitter was in this trade, actually. Now I'm thinking
I don't
back.
remember it being. I was on. No.
I'll tell you why I cancelled that.
This trade didn't go onside.
I know why I cancelled that. Because I'd done my arse short euro dollar. For that
Oh yeah, that was
play.
that one. Yeah. Oh yeah, so I'm thinking of two different trades, but I was in this as well.
I had the
I was
order
in
in,
this.
but I'd
I
already
was
done
in
my
this.
arse, so I had to get out.
I've just absolutely caned the trade. But I
And
was.
you were,
Oh, you pair of cunts in that.
mate, and I was long CAD futures as well, so that wasn't a great day for me.
Oh, you done your arse twice.
Yeah.
You haven't got that time for that.
Yeah, that wasn't fun. But when you look at it like this, it looks shit. But when you look at it, like
I think it's because of the ratio of
what the yeah, it looks all right.
the screen ratio.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, next.
Yeah, I've done my
Here's
arse
another
Sunday.
weird one.
Wait, so with that last trade, are we saying that trade was alright and you just got unlucky? Because that's how I felt about it on the day.
Yeah, on the day, I felt pretty unlucky.
It
It looked a lot
yeah,
worse
it's-
on this screen
Yeah.
than it actually was, but yeah, unlucky basically.
Why the fuck? Yeah. Why the fuck did I pull that?
I have no idea.
I need to check. I'm definitely not in it. Dollar yen. I'm fucking absolutely smashed that on the Sunday Open.
Were you in a trade at the time?
Euro dollar. Done my arse. After being up massive. And then dollar CAD. I pulled it. I pulled it instantly as soon as I put it in.
Oh, mate, it didn't. But didn't you like just?
4:15 I put the order in and I cancelled it at 4:16.
That's weird. Maybe you cancelled it because of the time of day and you just like fuck it.
It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay, maybe you didn't.
I must have been doing my arse in something else.
Okay, this one, the CAC 40,
Who the fuck trades a CAC 40 at all?
France's stock index.
It's a good level.
It's a good zone. It's
Mm.
very big though. It goes up to about there, maybe even there. There's a lot.
At the point which,
There's a lot in it.
which you're like, let's say he gets in because his entry is at that black horizontal line there. Yeah,
His entry is pinpoint.
the high, basically. Well, close enough to the high anyway.
Yeah.
Like he's asking for. What was he looking for originally?
That's
yeah.
the target.
Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad trade, is it?
No, it's not a bad trade at all.
I don't. Yeah. It's in the morning.
He did all right to get out for half an
There's a
hour.
bit of an open drive into his level. If I was taking this, and I'm seeing that price action, my stop's above there.
Yeah, but I
Maybe
assume
his stop was there, but I think he got out on the close of this candle. This big white candle here.
I think I think other than moving the stop down after the impulse move away, I don't think that's bad management. He's seen
yeah,
he's seen a big bearish bullish candle closed back through his level
Yeah.
and accepted he's wrong and just taken a loss on it. I don't think that's I don't think he's managed that badly at all.
Yeah,
No, neither
do
do
I.
I.
And that's a good trade in a shit market and managed well.
And it's also short equities again,
Yeah.
which we
Cool.
won't learn about. But no, I think that's a pretty good trade. Now I think this gets cunt of the week award. Boys, what's your nomination?
Cunt of the week is just the fibs in general, man. Fuck the levels. It's the fibs. How are you gonna draw fibs upside down? You're a big man, you know. You can't be doing that.
Yeah, just draw your fibs the other way around, and I don't think they're an awful set of trades. I've certainly taken a lot worse than that.
No, I just think this whole wherever this fib is from, it's upside down.
I'll tell you in a
for
sec.
one.
Let me go on my chart.
It's all the way over here.
What date is it? It's the 19th of April low. He's gone spike highs.
It's got
Spike
quite
highs
high,
are
but it
low.
doesn't mean a lot when it's all the way over here.
But it's measuring the wrong.
Yeah.
It's wrong because he's using it as a factor of confluence. Do you get where I'm coming from? He's saying,
Yeah.
okay, I've got a little bit more conviction in this trade because it's a 61.8% fib. It's not.
Yeah.
Where's it from? Is it from there?
Charlie, it doesn't matter. It's the wrong way around.
I mean, yeah, it's fucking wrong, but Jesus.
I think it's from the
Yeah, then that's the level
24th
there.
of the 4th.
Yeah, I think Charlie has it there, yeah.
Yeah. From all the way up
Yeah.
here.
It really doesn't matter, though.
No, of course it fucking don't, but you know. You got 1 hour out of it. At this level. But no, yeah, learn how to draw fibs to this person. Because it's not right. And it's especially not right using it as confluence.
That's the worst part.
Do you want to review some of our trades, or do you want to review our Sunday? So, trades we planned on Sunday.
Oh, we've got to talk about the dollar yen.
So yeah, dollar yen shorting from 14.42.
Every single trader had an offer in there.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's the level I was talking about.
yeah.
Yep.
And we got front running it. It was.
we missed
I
it.
think that would have triggered, but we had the silly bastard from North Korea decide he wanted to pipe up on Sky News, didn't he?
Yep, and
Yeah.
we missed it by 4 pips.
Yeah. So cool. So that one we had Aussie short from 7.445, which we spoke about yesterday.
Does that get filled yet?
No, I didn't get anywhere near filling.
No, this is the one that we spoke about yesterday and on Sunday.
Yeah, we spoke about it Sunday.
And I'm actually offered there as well. As we speak.
What's dollar CAD saying?
It's
Dollar CAD,
meandering in a no man's land still.
still want that.
Oh, yeah.
Um,
I don't want that first trade, but I'll take the second level.
dollar Swiss.
Watch this space. Dollar Swiss.
Yeah, so that hammer.
Dollar Swiss looks like bronze right now. Not even gonna lie.
Yeah, hammer off at that level. Impulse move away. Sell the retest.
Get out
Closed
there.
at the highs. So it was just over a 1R.
Fantastic.
And that was my only trade of the week. I had pound dollar in short last night. Well, I pulled the order at night before I went to bed because I didn't like the price action. It was just kind
You
of
wouldn't have got filled anyway, surely.
got chopping. No, but I set an alert on my computer.
Yeah.
So it alerted me at 2:40. I think it was 2:40. Let me just check. When it broke, when was it? So it was about 2:40 in the morning when it broke 95s.
Yeah.
Because that then gave me, in my eyes, it gave me about 7 pips before it triggered. So I sat up and watched that.
Offered there. Oh, it's just sad, isn't it?
Yeah, I watched that for 2 hours.
Targets, either of those.
Mm.
Stop was above there.
Yeah. No fill. No cigar on that one.
Classic.
No cigar at all.
But a nice trade though.
It's
So
funny because overnights you either get front run or you get filled and you wake up and you're like half an hour offside.
yeah.
Yeah.
What can you do?
My only trade of the week was this Dow, which I got out on the close of this candle at 5 o'clock. And
Which
I
candle?
took 0.2R loss. Got out there, my stop was above here, and I got in there. So
There's very little space there, man.
yeah, I know. I really like the level though,
Mm.
but I wasn't thinking really. That's gone in my journal as a rule break, because if we look at the daily,
It was looking nice when you got in there, mate.
and I was short that,
Yeah.
Well done.
but
God bless.
didn't end up losing too much on that one in the end. That combined with this is just horrendous. 3 inside days, just about faked. I don't actually know if this low is below that low, but double inside day, failure released. It's pretty filthy. Joseph, no trades for you, mate?
No trades. No. And then the only thing in futures has been order flow plays.
We'll ignore those.
Nothing PA related.
Do you trade anymore, Joseph?
No, man. Good fucking question.
Joseph scalping Bund for fun.
Yeah, man.
No one's scalping the buns, mate.
No, it's not. It's actually not that bad, in fairness. You've just got to be patient and wait for setups. But yeah, Bond's been pretty boring. It was a good day yesterday. Everybody seemed to miss the PA plays. I wasn't. I couldn't even. Was it yesterday? Yeah, or the day before. When you're watching the 1 minute, it's kind of hard to pay attention to the.
Okay, so key takeaways from this.
I think the last couple of weeks have been
Learn how to draw fibs. And 2,
Referred to point 1.
time of day.
don't short equities.
Yeah, I'm not writing anymore, but don't short equities, and also, I'm just going to say it again, because I think it needs repeating after what we've seen. Hope everyone enjoyed this trade review. Send your trades in, and we'll get another one of these going next week.
Man, every time I see 62, oh fucking hell.
I'll delete that again.